right, crypto crash alert. Bitcoin falling 30% yesterday, hitting its lowest level since January. It did bounce back a bit, but the cryptocurrency was being valued at $30,000, a huge decline from its previous high of about $60,000. The sporadic change wiped out $500 billion of value from cryptocurrency, the Bitcoin, completely canceling out all of its gains in February after Tesla announced that it would be accepting the cryptocurrency as a form of payment. Tesla CEO Elon Musk then causing another wild change in the value for Bitcoin last week when he said Tesla would no longer be taking it as a payment, although the company has no plans to sell its corporate crypto holdings, although some are skeptical. But Musk is back at it again today, causing the price of Dogecoin to spike 11% early this morning after this tweet. Quote, "How much is that Dogecoin in the window?" Ha. Let's welcome in now our financial analysts and Money Huddle members. Heather Zumaraga of Zuma Global. She's also the author of A Man's Guide to Corporate Culture. And you can see Seth Denson right there on the screen. He's a business and market analyst. His book is called The Cure, a blueprint for solving America's healthcare crisis. His latest is up on Newsmax.com as well. All right, buying the dips, guys. What do we think? Heather, first to you.
No, I said no last week. I still say no today. Don't you wish there was a group of people that warned you about these cryptocurrencies? Oh, yeah.
Yes.
That's us. That's what Seth and we had discussed right before the segment. I mean, people have a much higher risk tolerance, I think, right now than they should. And if you were lucky enough to have Bitcoin in 2020 at $7,000 and climbed all the way to 64,000 and you didn't sell, well, you lost about 40% over the past week. It has come back and somewhat stabilized today. But can you afford to lose half your money? If not, I wouldn't touch it.
Seth, talk about the mob mentality that's going around now, viral tweets and Reddit subrooms and all this stuff. This is what's driving a lot of these decisions, not the fundamentals here.
Yeah, no, you're exactly right, John. I mean, listen, FOMO is taking on, fear of missing out, a whole new era right now, and it's doing it in the investment world. Listen, since your show started today, John, crypto, Bitcoin specifically, has dropped $2,000. And that's how quickly this is happening right now. And I will tell you, here's a bigger thing that I think is going to play a big role in this going forward. We recently had the Colonial Pipeline attack. They paid for it, my understanding is, with cryptocurrency. That's going to invite federal governments across the globe to start looking at this much more closely, and I think that's going to have a long-term impact on this.
Yeah, I mean, the point of having the SEC is they're supposed to kind of mollify this and create and prevent these wild swings based on one guy's tweet, one guy, Elon Musk, that being that guy. Heather, we see how far out ahead these federal regulators, cryptocurrencies are. Seth's right. This is going to demand some sort of government intervention, even if we don't like government intervention.
Right. If you look at a chart of when Elon Musk tweeted about Bitcoin and Dogecoin to the moon, that goes straight up, and the opposite when he stops accepting Bitcoin, for example, for Tesla. So it shouldn't be driven by one guy, but that's what this market is being driven by right now. I hope Musk focuses on rockets and actually going to the moon and not cryptocurrencies. He's the second richest man in the world. He doesn't even need the money. Stay out of it. Focus on the creative side of things.
You heard it from Heather Zumaraga, Elon Musk. Stay out of it.
Yes.
All right? Great to see you both, Heather and Seth. We'll see you guys soon. All right, that's going to do it for the first hour. John Bachman now as well. Much more ahead, too. We're going to check in with Logan Raddick, who's going to join us from Washington with an update story on that debunked anonymous Capitol Police letter. We're also going to talk to former FBI agent Jonathan Gillum about those videos and the FBI's ongoing investigation into the Capitol Hill rioters. Don't go away.
Closed captioning brought to you by Pray.com, the #1